Hi, I'm here in Manchester and welcome to our campus tour.
The music industry and music scene in Manchester is through the roof. Everyone's raving about it up here, so it's the best place really for it, especially, for instance, for like what I'm into.
I would say diverse. It's very, very diverse. You can basically find whatsoever you're looking for and a lot of places to go to enjoy live music.
Manchester is a really, really great place to study as a musician because there's a lot of opportunities. As you know, DBS is something that's just a great place to socialise, to network, meet people, and a lot of people are on the same wavelength as well, so you can get creative inspo from a lot of different people.
What I love about the Neve is just the user friendliness of it. So yeah, once you connect your mics to the live room ties, they instantly come through here. Gain staging is so easy with these preamps.
I would say the thing that I really like about this live room is the space itself. It's really big, so you can kind of use it for whatever you need it for, whether it's a full band, whether it's even just a solo performance. It's also very versatile because like you can use it in the Neve, but you can also use it in some of the other studios.
What's nice about the DBS studios in Manchester is that we've got 4 different studios and they all have a different desk in them. So you get to learn on different consoles, so you can learn on all of those, and then hopefully whichever studio you're in the future, you've got experience working on an SSL or on a Neve or on a Trident.
The API, I find it really simple to use. I can also plug my own laptop in. It's really straightforward. I really like the preamps too, especially the room. It's really well treated.
I'd say it's very easy to book out with the API and all of the studios. I'd say it's great.
I like coming in here just because I feel like the SSL Matrix is sort of like a new age of desks and it's very digital, so I just like that it's complex, and like getting to know that. It's like doing a puzzle, it's fun working out.
I mean, I love this desk. It's got such solid construction. It feels really nice to use. It's not too complicated, but it does everything you need it to do. The hard working presses, and they're really fun to use. They sound great.
The great thing about this studio is how advanced it is, and it's kind of the technology of the future really. So we're quite privileged that we've got access to a studio like this, because I know a lot of universities might not have access to. There's no sound quite like it. I remember the first time hearing some of the demos in here, it was like hearing music for the first time.
The space is really nice, really open, it's very social. It's nice to just come out of your lectures and see people just doing work or editing and stuff like that. It means that you can just see and chat to people, but also we have guest lecturers as well.
The lecture theatre is really nice. We usually have lectures in there and it's quite spacious, so that's where we usually come together, and it has a really nice sound system in there, so it's perfect for listening different mixes.
So I really like this space because it's full of all of the iMacs. They've got all of the softwares that I use on, which include Logic, Ableton, and alongside all of the MIDI controllers.
Here we learn and get a better representation of how things work in the real life. Clearly an amazing venue where it's live sound. It's way better to have the real thing. We can use to have a way more realistic set of experiences.